Good morning, student. Standard 7, Science subject, Chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants. In class 6, you learn that food is essential for all living organisms. You also learn that carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals are components of food. These components of food are called nutrients and are necessary for our body. हमारी बॉडी को प्रोटीन, फैट, विटामिन, मिनरल्स की ज़रूर पड़ती है. हम 6 स्टैंडर्ड में सीख गए. All living organisms require food. Plants can synthesize food for themselves, but animal, including human, cannot. They get it from plants or animals that eat plants. Humans and animals are directly or indirectly depend on plants. हम अपने प्लांट्स पे हम डिपेंड है. प्लांट्स है तो हमको खाना मिलता है, ना तो कहाँ से मिलेगा. अब मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स. Plants are the only organism that can prepare food for themselves by using water. Carbon dioxide and minerals, the raw material, are present in their surroundings. The nutrients enable living organisms build their bodies to grow, repair damaged part to the bodies, and provides energy to carry out life process. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and it's until by the body. The mode of nutrition in which organism make food themselves. From simple subtraction in called ऑटोट्रॉफिक, यानी वो स्वावलंबी बोलते हैं, जो अपने आप वो खाना बनाते हैं. कौन? प्लांट्स, इसलिए उसको ऑटोट्रॉफिक बोलते हैं. न्यूट्रिशन, देयरफॉर प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड ऑटोट्रॉफ्स. एनिमल एंड मोस्ट अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टेक इट फूड प्रिपेयर बाय प्लांट्स. एनिमल किस पे प्रिपेयर रहते हैं? प्लांट्स पे. वो प्लांट्स को खाते हैं, उसको डिपेंड प्लांट्स पे रहते हैं एनिमल्स सब. दे आर कॉल्ड heterotrophs. Now we may ask where the V4 factories of plants are located. Whether food is made in all parts of plants, only in certain plants. How do plants obtain the raw materials from the surroundings? How do they transport them to food factories of plants? अब फोटोसिंथेसिस, यानी हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको? प्रकाश संश्लेषण क्रिया. फूड मेकिंग प्रोसेस इन प्लांट्स, यानी अपने आप जो कैसे खाना बनाता है प्लांट्स, वो बोलेंगे. लीव्स आर द फूड फैक्टरीज ऑफ प्लांट्स. देयरफॉर ऑल द रॉ मटेरियल्स मस्ट रीच द लीफ. वाटर एंड मिनरल्स प्रेजेंट in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported in the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cell. Such processes are called stomata. Water and minerals are transported to the leaves by the vessel which run like pipes throughout the roots. The stem, the branches and the leaves, they form a continuous path or passage for the nutrients and reach the leaf. They are called vessel. You will learn more about transport of material in plant. Plant in the leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. जो अपने पत्ते का ग्रीन कलर है वो क्या है? क्लोरोफिल. It helps leaves to capture in energy to sunlight. This energy is used to synthesis food from carbon dioxide and water. Since the synthesis of food occurs in the presence in sunlight, it is called photosynthesis. क्या सूर्य प्रकाश होता है ना, उसकी प्रेजेंट में जो प्लांट्स खाना बनाते हैं उसको क्या बोलेंगे? फोटोसिंथेसिस. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड water are necessary to carry out the process of photosynthesis. It is unique process on the earth. The solar energy is captured by the leaves stored in the plants in the form of food. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. Can you image life, the earth in the action in photosynthesis? In the absence of photosynthesis, there would not any food. The survival of almost all living organisms, directly and indirectly, depends upon the food made by the plants, beside oxygen, which is essential for the survival of all organism is products during photosynthesis. In the absence of photosynthesis, life would be impossible on the earth. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll contained cells lives in the presence of sunlight. Use carbon dioxide and water synthesis carbon dioxide. The process can be represented in the equation carbon dioxide plus water, sunlight और chlorophyll. आपकी बुक में जो दिया है देखो, लीफ, स्टोमाटा, क्लोरोफिल, फिर जो सन का अपना लीव्स जो प्लांट्स है वो कैसे अपना ऑटोट्रॉफिक करता है वो पूरा बताया हुआ है अपनी बुक में देखो. ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑक्सीजन इज रिलाइज्ड, द प्रेजेंट इज स्टार्च, लीव्स इंडाइरेक्ट एंड ऑक्यूरेट्स द फोटोसिंथेसिस. Starch is also a carbohydrate. Take a two potted plants, some kind which in the dark for 72 hours and the other in sunlight. Perform iodine test with the leaves of both the plants as you did in class 6. Record your result. You now leave the pot which was early kept in the dark in the sunlight. 3-4 days in perform iodine test again in its leaves. Record observation in your notebook. The leaves other than green also have chlorophyll. The large amount of red, brown and other pigments mask the green color. Photosynthesis takes place in this leaf also. You often see slimy green patch in ponds in stagnant water bodies. They are generally formed by the growth organism called algae. Can you guess why algae are green in color? They contain chlorophyll which gives them the green color. Algae are also prepared their own food by photosynthesis. अब सिंथेसिस ऑफ प्लांट फूड अदर देन carbohydrate. You have just learned their plant synthesis. Carbohydrates through the process of photosynthesis. The carbohydrates are made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are used to synthesis of compound of food such as protein and fat. But protein are nitrogen substance which contain nitrogen. From where do the plants obtain nitrogen? Recall that the nitrogen is present in absence in form in air. However, plants cannot absorb nitrogen in this form. Soil has certain that convert nitrogen into form a release into the soil. These are absorbed by the plant along the water. You might have seen farmers adding fertilizer rich in nitrogen to the soil. In this way, plants fulfill their requirements of nitrogen along with the other constituents. Plants can then synthesize protein and vitamins. अगला point है other modes in nutrition and plants. There are some plants which do not have chlorophyll. They cannot synthesize food. How do they survive and from where do their nutrition? Like humans and animals, such plants depend food products by the plants. They use the heterophytic mode in nutrition. Look at fig 1.5. Do you see yellow wire branch structure lying around the stem and branch of a tree? This is plant called Emerald. It does not have chlorophyll. It takes ready-made food from the plant on which is climbing. The plant is which is climb is called the host, since it delivers the host of valuable nutrients. अब आगे का हम अगले नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. थैंक यू.